Which details from the text support the inference? Before we're ready to select multiple details from the text to support an inference, we must first have an inference to support. Our passage is about the sun. Let's see if we can make an inference from the first sentence. Our sun is an abundant source of energy, delivering 90,000 terawatts of power per second to our planet. Based on what the text says and my knowledge of energy and the sun, I can infer the sun is the single most powerful energy reactor available to humans. For the sake of this practice, let's use a different inference. The sun is a clean form of renewable energy. As we're reading our passage, let's look for details from the text to support our inference that the sun is a clean form of renewable energy. It heats our planet, drives photosynthesis, and allows life as we know it to exist. Based on what the text says and my knowledge of photosynthesis and life on Earth, I can infer that the sun is a clean form of energy because it sustains life on Earth. Why would it be destructive? Let's continue. The sun's raw energy can also be harnessed by humans to supply power to society's growing needs. Based on what the text says and my knowledge of renewable energy, I can infer that yes, the sun's raw energy that can be harnessed by humans must be a clean form and renewable. Let's see if we can find more details from the text to support our inference. Our energy requirements are growing every day. Does this detail support our inference? No, it just says our energy requirements are growing every day. So is the concern over how our energy use is impacting the natural environment. Many have looked to solar energy as an alternative to fossil fuels and nuclear power. Do these last two details support our inference that the sun is a clean form of renewable energy? Well, based on what the text says and my knowledge over the concern about our energy use and how it's impacting the natural environment, in addition to my knowledge about fossil fuels and nuclear power, I can infer that the sun has an important role to play with regard to our energy use and its impact on the natural environment. Therefore, it must be clean and renewable if it's to be a better alternative to fossil fuels and nuclear power. We just found not 1, 2, or 3, but 4 details from the text to support our inference that the sun is a clean form of renewable energy. Great job!